When we hear the word inflation, we don't typically think of how it will help us make ends meet.
As Michelle Lee reports, there are ways inflation is helping us on our taxes and on our paychecks.
We've all been painfully aware of inflation, but this tax season, there are some bright spots, starting with our paychecks.
So it's a nice surprise, hopefully.
Lei Dan is a financial advisor in St. Louis. She says we're seeing a bit more in our checks because the IRS has adjusted for inflation.
So hopefully, you don't feel the pinch of more tax dollars flowing out of your income, so you can keep more or the similar amount that you can buy your eggs, buy your milk, using it in your everyday life.
While it's not a raise, it is significant.
They adjust certain tax benefits every year, but for tax year 2023 is the most they've been adjusted up in decades.
Your tax refund could also be bigger. For example, in 2022, a person filing as a single earner between about $41,000 and $89,000 paid about 22% of their income to the IRS. But in 2023, that tax bracket bumped it up to a little more than $44,000 to about $95,000. The math there is about a 7% change. Now, there are other differences, like more money for energy efficiency improvements to your home and bigger tax credits for families.
If you're a family with 3 kids, it's $7,430.
And we can look forward to some changes all year long.
With inflation, a lot of the maximum for the retirement accounts actually have increased as well.
The standard deduction is also going up, which is a benefit for taxpayers. Some things to note when you're making every cent count.
So that doesn't mean you can buy more things. You're just keeping up with inflation.
For Making Ends Meet, Michelle Lee, 5 on your side.